To make sure that the InClear unit is installed firmly enough, you may use our InClear's bracket kit. The brackets are used on the InClear sleeves to keep it firmly down. To install them, just slide the main bracket under and then put the top part over it. To fix the brackets on the bottom of the spouse framing, please use adapted screws on both sides. End the installation by fixing the top bracket on the bottom one using the provided screws. When done, just repeat the process on the other side. Please note that in some plumbing configurations, the InClear might be installed vertically. In those configurations, the use of these brackets to fix the InClear on the wall surface is strongly advised.